Hello, welcome to my channel. My channel is all about soap making and handmade products. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave me comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thank you for supporting my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram at the Scraftworks for more sneak peeks and ongoing projects. This time we are making wax tablets again with a new formula. To check out my last video of how I make wax tablets, click the I button on the top right hand corner to watch that. Last time I used beeswax and stearic acid. This time I'm switching up the stearic acid with Soywax. I also got some new molds and botanicals for decoration. It will be really pretty and fun to make. Here I have some beeswax and Soywax in a 1:1 portion melting in a double boiler. In order to work out how much beeswax and Soywax you need to find out the volume of your mold. So for me, I'm going to make 3 wax tablets using these 3 molds. Each cavity is 40 grams in volume, and since I want to make 3, the total volume is 120 grams. But as I've mentioned in the previous video, the density of wax is less than water, so that you need less wax to fill the same volume. In order to account for that, we multiply the total volume by 0.8, and this will give you how much wax you need. So I will need 96 grams of wax, and then dividing this number in half, we know we will need 48 grams of beeswax and 48 grams of Soywax in this recipe. This recipe with Soywax will add more shine to the tablets compared to using stearic acid in the previous formula. Using stearic acid will create a harder and firmer tablet. If you live in a more humid area, you may prefer stearic acid. While waiting for the wax to fully melt, I'll measure out the essential oil blend. The usage rate is about 5 to 10% for wax tablets, and I'll be using 5%. This time I'm using a blend of rosemary, tea tree and lavender essential oils. I'm also hoping again to get rid of bugs, and I love lavender and rosemary essential oils. Here I have some botanicals and the molds that I'll be using. I have some forget-me-not, red dark plum and lavender buds here, and have them arranged on the sides to be placed on the tablets once we have the wax in. Planning ahead of how I want the tablets to be decorated to create better looking tablets, because I will have a relatively short time to place them on the tablets. You will see later when we start. Once the wax has all melted, remove the double boiler from the heat source and give it a bit of time to cool off before adding the fragrance or essential oils. This will prevent denaturing the essential oils. Mix well into the melted wax. Now pour in the melted wax. Once you finish pouring, do not add the botanicals on the tablet straight away. Let it be until you can see the wax solidifying on the borders of the mold before adding the botanicals. This is because you need to let the wax set up a bit first, or else your botanicals will sink into the wax tablets instead of being on top of the wax tablets. As you can see later, the first tablet I'm decorating now, the stem of the forget-me-not will not be visible in the final tablet. Now, doing the same for the other tablets, the stem on this tablet will be visible in the final product. This is particularly important for small decorations like these lavender buds to be added in the end for the same reason. Let these tablets set up for a few hours before unmolding. Now unmold each tablet carefully. To make these tablets even more presentable, attach an eyelet on each side of the tablet before adding a ribbon to give it a nice touch. Finally, attach a ribbon through the eyelet by tying a knot at the end. I love the final look of these tablets. They give us such a nice aroma and are nice decorations for the house. These definitely make perfect gifts. What do you think? Which one do you like better? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Please give me a thumbs up if you liked the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos.